Hi, my name is Manish Khandelwal. I'm the Managing Director for Haworth in India. Uh, we are participating in ORGATEC India at GeoWorld Center, and we'll be launching a new line of innovative product or for workspace solutions. We will be happy to host you at our booth. Please come and join us on 4 to 6 November at ORGATEC India, GeoWorld Center. Thank you. Haworth is bringing a lot of innovation from our global product range to India. We have our factory in Chennai, and we generally developed product with international designers and also in-house. And then those globally developed product, which are mostly developed in Europe and US, are brought to India, and we start manufacturing those product in our Indian factory, which is at Chennai. We com- we are a very strong believer in make in India or made in India, which we are like focusing on, and we are expanding our footprint. And most of our global product line we will be delivering out of our Indian factory. Some of the product which we already are manufacturing in India, which are like globally developed after a lot of research, like Zodi, which is developed after collaboration with Human Performance Institute in Chicago. We are manufacturing in India. Similarly, we are also producing height adjustable workstations, cabana lounges, collaborative furniture. So all the product which we are looking in future also, most of the global product which are developed at our different R&D facilities across the globe will be coming to India through our local manufacturing. And we are strongly enhancing our local manufacturing capabilities to meet the Indian demand, as well as the standards which has been put in by BIS, which is the latest one. So all these products will follow to BIS standard also in the coming days. So sustainability is like we live with sustainability. We don't talk about it. And frankly speaking, if you look at it, our all products will have EPD declaration. Uh, One of the fantastic example is again a Zodi chair, which is like manufactured, with 51% plus 50 plus percent, recycled material, and also have 92% recycled content. We most of our product are like are developed with sustainability kept in mind. We most of the competitors or other companies are giving you the worktop which are not FSC certified. Each of our workstation will have worktop which is FSC certified, which is a great example of how we're living on it. If you look at SBTi goals, we are already at scope 1 and 2, we are neutral. For scope 3, we will be neutral. We will have 60% reduction by 2030, and by 2050, we will be almost 90-95% or carbon neutral. So it shows that we are aggressively working on it, and all the new products which we are developing has sustainability is at their core. So great question again. Hybrid is what is the trend now, because after COVID, people most of the I think multinational client or our Indian clients started working hybrid mode, and today almost 80-85% of the big clients are working in hybrid. And we have introduced product and what is very important in hybrid is that you should have flexibility and collaboration at the core of it when you are designing office space. And most of our product, like you have HAD workstation, which are height adjustable workstation. Then we have collaborative furniture like Kavana or Riverband, which are designed such a way that you have plug and play facilities there. So we are introducing these, we focusing on these product, and we are seeing that most of the companies are going for hybrid. But over a period of time, we are also seeing that from hybrid, people are being called to work now, from 3 days to 4 days and 4 days to 5 days. The challenge is how do you get them to work, because people are used to of living in and working from their homes. So you need to create an inspiring office where people can look forward to come to office and then would like to work there. So Haworth really is helping all our clients to create that inspiring spaces which have a collaboration at the key, and which have multiple spaces like me spaces, focus spaces where you have spaces where team can come together and work, places where you have like acoustical privacy, places where you will have physical privacy also. But at the same time, I think what we are seeing is that more and more people are coming to office now, and the open office plan started moving into a zone where people are looking forward for more of a focused work areas. Also, the trend is a little bit changing, but we are contributing in almost in every aspect on hybrid working with our product line, which supports complete flexibility, collaboration, and open spaces, which can be designed for optimal working. Ergonomics is at our core of our design philosophy, and it is one of the most important aspects. When you buy a chair, you look forward for a perfect support to your back, and which can help you work for 8 hours, 10 hours, supports your back completely. Similarly, an office desk which can given you an option to stand and work, sit and work, or in between areas where you can go and relax, but at the same time you have proper support to your back. Or especially well-being I talk about is also health well-being, not only the ergonomic part of it. Like, you should have a proper environment where acoustics is taken care, because what we are hearing is that most of the blood pressure happens when you are in too noisy environment. Yeah, I think on a day-to-day basis we are working on multiple clients, which are multinational Indians also, where we are trying to create inspiring offices, inspiring workspaces. The recent one I can get you an example is one of the fintech major, uh, who are placing their GCC center in India, and we are working with their almost like 8,000 to 10,000 seaters, and we have developed their helped them develop the solution from scratch. We have a concept of co-create, where we go and sit with client and understand their demand, their needs, what they want to change and how they want to change. So we got involved with our ideation workshop, and we understood what are the pain points, and based on that, our creation team went in and understood the requirement, and then they made a concept, how to tackle those challenges with this new product which we can give them, which has little bit or a lot of customization. So we are just in the phase of execution, but we got rave reviews about our design solution. The first phase is under execution, and we are getting a lot of positive feedback. It includes all our height adjustable workstations, fixed height workstations, our ergonomic chairs, our pods, which are gives you acoustical privacy. Then we have acoustical solutions in terms of lighting, fuzzy light, or planters. All of this being included into design to give the optimal performance to the office space which is being designed. And the real estate is one of the most important aspects. So we try to create a workspace design in such a manner that the real estate becomes as an asset, not as a liability for an organization, and delivers performance and improve efficiency within the organization, help have agile decision making, and help them change the work culture also. Great question again. I think quality is one aspect which is very very important when you are Haworth. So one thing I can assure you is that Haworth quality is top class. Okay, we're very very sensitive toward it. So any product which we manufacture is as per the WIFMA standards, and most of the products are well tested in our laboratories in Chennai factory. Like we have a special lab for testing our chairs. Similarly, we get our product or workstation tested at different international test labs like SGS or BIFMA. So all the products have a quality certification. At the same time, we also have process certification at plant, which is ISO. So we're very sensitive toward it, and we want to deliver the best quality to our clients. That's why all of our products are like warranted for 10 years, 12 years. Some of them are more than that. So which shows the strength of the of quality, Haworth quality, I'll say. But at the same time, I'll say that the new product which we are introducing, we take time to test them in Indian market first, as per the Indian scenario, and then get insights if these needs to be changed. Those changes are communicated to the operations, manufacturing abroad, PLM, and then the product is introduced after the proper testing and as per the quality standard which we are looking for. So I think PLM, quality, all are working together to ensure that we have the best product coming out in the market. So we regularly are, communicating, interacting with architect and designers, because uh, uh, we are the one who are going to them and proposing solutions. Okay, so it's very important that when a client office comes or project comes in, it is important that we integrate our solutions in that office design from day one. And for that, it is very important that the A&D community really knows about our product line. So we connect with them on a multiple platform. We also do a lot of lunch and learn sessions. We are doing a lot of one-to-one presentations also, as well as roundtable conferences, and we are also participating in multiple events to increase that collaboration. And we have certain functions like ideation and co-creation. Ideation is where we help architect and designers put the flow plate in such a way that it is meeting customers' requirement and bringing in the most I'll say efficiency in terms of uh, uh, decision making, in terms of work culture, in terms of performance improvement. The pain points which clients wants to address, like increase the collaboration or give their people more inspiring spaces. So the ideation team goes work with the architect and designers when they are designing a flow plate. They work with them, help design that flow plate with addressing those pain points in the layout and making it super efficient. And then take it forward from there. The co-creation team again work with the A&Ds. So whatever they're conceiving in their mind as a solution, they make a prototype of it, or they make a first solution or first sketch of it, and then discuss with them, finalize it. So we keep on interacting with architect designers on multiple platforms, as well as we closely work with them through our ideation team, through our sales. And then we have an A&D team specifically who focuses on building relationship with architect and designers, and keep proposing the new products which we are introducing in the market. Yeah, I think the word is very dynamic. You are seeing the advent of AI now. Everybody is talking about AI, and we are also working on the technology side, making our furniture more smart. So look at the pods which we have. These pods, they have inbuilt solution, the smart monitor, where you can adjust the inside airflow, as well as the I'll say the light intensity of light. Similarly, you can connect you can do your Microsoft meeting inside the pod only, directly by plugging into the pod. It also gives you all the data about occupancy. So we are working with Free Space and some other companies on sensor technologies, where we are including these sensors in our pod, and they give you occupancy data. So how much a product is used. So it's very important for a bigger client like these fintech majors. They would like to know whether this product is being used, whether they are efficiently using the real estate space, how many people are occupying these spots. So that sensor data which we have gives them the complete insights on how the product is used, and then they can make more decision that whether they need more pods, whether it's been overutilized, underutilized, can take those kind. So in every product, similarly HAT workstation, these are height adjustable workstation. If you talk about 5 years back, there was hardly people using height adjustable workstations, but today almost 50 to 60% of our sales is becoming a height adjustable workstation, because people who would like to have flexibility how they want to work, whether they want to work when they are standing or they're sitting, or we also have a Zodi chair which supports a perch position, which is in between position between standing and sitting. So that's called perch, where you move forward and then you start working in a half standing position. So these technologies are coming day to day, and with every new product coming in, we are putting new innovation in those products. So, and we will keep doing so in the coming days. If I look at it, there are multiple trends. One is earlier we used to have never had hybrid. So today we have hybrid workspaces, which is now a new norm, which is hybrid workspaces. Then second thing what I'm seeing is that open office plan. Earlier people used to work in the cubicles. Now everybody is having an open office. You have desk and you just have one screen, and then almost every different teams are coming together and collaborating more. But at the same time, acoustical privacy is required there. So what we see is that as the open office plans are coming in, there's more need for acoustics is coming in. So we see the acoustical use of acoustical product more in the, and to address that, we have also introduced from our sister concern Buzzy, the new product which supports these acoustic requirements. Like we have planters, we have lights which have acoustical treatment in it. Then we have the pots again from Buzzy. Then hush pots which are again taking care of acoustic. So what I see, these are the trends. Then what I see is that now the challenge is that companies want to bring people to the office, and for that they need to create places which are inspiring. So that's one of the trend that every GCC or every multinational client or Indian client which is major, they want to create inspiring offices which can bring people back to office, and we can play a major role in that, because we also have our sister concern brand like Casina, Capellini, Poltrona Flower, which are top of the line, and which helps us create these inspiring spaces. So there are all multiple. I can keep on going. There are trends which are coming in. AI is again gonna be another one. Like sensors again, which we talked about, is another thing which most of the offices started using now, and it's becoming a norm again. So we can continue this discussion, but major trend is that people are still with hybrid workspaces, and most of the office spaces are becoming very collaborative in nature. And I think because of this open office plan, we have requirement for acoustics, which is increasing day by day, and that's what I'm seeing at this point of time. We are the leader in workspace innovation and I think solutions, and we are participating in ORGATEC as one of the premium partners for you. And by presenting ourselves in this platform, I'm pretty sure that most of the architects and designers will be coming to this platform and visiting us, and we will be creating a lot of I think a buzz around our new product lines, which is your place family, as well as Aloha Pro, which is the new chair which we want to launch. At the same time, our product like Zodi, Fern or HAT system. So we are very, I'll say, very excited to be at ORGATEC, and I'm pretty sure that a platform like ORGATEC will bring in a lot of uh, professionals from architect and design community. Will create a lot of interest in their mind, and they will be visiting ORGATEC and will be visiting us, and that will be hugely helpful for our brand and propagating our brand to every nook and corner of the country. And as we aspire to become one of the leaders in the market, uh, the top ones, I think that will help us. This platform will help us uh, going closer to it. Yeah.